Hello, this is Tara with MomCanDoAnything.com, and this is my 4th of July Christmas tree that I just completed, and I'm going to walk you through how to basically put together a Christmas tree of any kind. It just happens to be that this is a 4th of July tree. So I started with this small pedestal tree, and it doesn't have a lot of branches and it's not real thick, so it doesn't hold my larger floral pieces very well. So I've been using this grapevine garland to just wrap around the tree, and it gives the floral stems kind of a place to rest and helps hold everything together. And this is working really well. I used this in my previous tree that I did for spring. I recommend using something like that. It helps hold everything together. So on this tree, I started with the largest floral that I had, which were these beautiful white hydrangeas, and they have a longer stem on them because I use them in my Christmas trees as well, my larger Christmas trees. So I didn't want to trim those down very much, but I was able to put those in there and space them out. And then I went in with some smaller floral pieces. I had some white, some blue, and then some red poppies, and I spaced those out. Then I had some ornaments. They were tabletop ornaments that I got at Michael's that look like little bombs and our fireworks. And I put those in. And then I had some wooden stars, striped stars they were some home decor pieces that I found at Michael's, and placed those in the tree. I went back in and filled in some holes with some greenery. I used magnolia leaves and eucalyptus. I used this greenery combination before in my spring tree, so I just had it handy, and I thought the tree needed some greenery to fill in the holes, so I went ahead and put that in. Then I did 2 bows at the top, or just larger bow toppers, and placed those in. I made those into sort of picks, and I used wire there to attach those. But I put one on each side at the top. That just kind of gives it a rounder shape than if you just used one in the front. So I used both of those, and then I went in with smaller bows that I made into picks as well, and I put those in the body of the tree. And then at the end, I placed in flags at the top, which sort of filled in some holes at the top of the tree. This tree turned out great. I really love the pop of the white and the red and the blue together. Of course, a classic color combination, and it's something I've not used in my home before. And but I do really like the way it came out, and I wanted something that was predominantly floral, and I really wanted to use those white hydrangeas, and super glad that I did, and I like the way it looks together. And I also changed out the accessories around the tree, like the painting and the chair and other things. So I brought in a lot more red into the front of my home, and I think it all looks great together. So that's how I put together this 4th of July Christmas tree, and you can use those concepts and tips on any tree. So thanks for watching.